Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Paperclip production is in equilibrium until one firm drops its variable costs. We need to find the impact on output and profit very quickly. Lowering variable costs means the marginal cost curve shifts downward. In a competitive market, firms maximize profit where price equals marginal cost, so this shift changes the optimal production level. Since the new marginal cost curve is lower than before, the intersection with the constant market price occurs at a higher quantity. This means the firm will definitely produce more. With lower cost per unit and more units sold, total profit must rise. That makes option A the clear winner for this competitive firm. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and trust the given rules to find the right answer.